Welcome to our channel Rocket Babies. I'm Sunita Ghosh. So I had a recent trip to Japan and there are some fun facts that I wanted to share about this country. So let's start this video. Fact number 1. So usually the luggages in different countries, I think all over the world, usko airport pe they are mishandled actually. So they are thrown in and out of the airplane and on the belts. But Japan में मैंने notice किया कि जापान में बहुत अच्छे से आपकी लगेज जो है उसको हैंडल किया जाता है और प्लस बेल्ट्स से उतार के उसको कलर वाइज ऑर्गेनाइज करके साइड में रख दिया जाता है. फैक्ट नंबर 2. So toilets are very high tech in Japan. So public toilets are also very clean and hygienic. It has got that function of getting from where you want the water to come out for washing. You want the water to be hot or cold. Even if अगर आप चाहो तो म्यूजिक ऑन कर सकते हो. म्यूजिक में बेसिकली एक वाटरी काइंड ऑफ साउंड आता रहता है so that if you are loud enough in the washroom तो आप उसको भी कवर कर सकते हो. Fact number 3. So restaurants in Japan usually always display fake food outside the restaurant. So that way it becomes really easy to choose कि आपको क्या खाना है और क्या नहीं खाना है by just looking at the dish itself. So this is one of the common practices that restaurants follow in Japan. Fact number 4. So I had seen very small kids walking to school by themselves. So I have seen kids walk to school by themselves. I have seen kids catching metros and then traveling to different stations and then going to school. तो मुझे एक टाइप से बहुत हैरानगी हुई क्योंकि इतने छोटा बच्चा क्या अकेले खुद से स्कूल जा सकता है, बट इन जापान यस जा सकता है. फैक्ट नंबर 5. So there are vending machines all over the place. So you're walking on a street, you will get multiple vending machines. You're on the station, you will get vending machines. You are on the airport, wherever you say it. Even like different theme parks में भी आपको vending machines मिल जाएंगे. In vending machines में usually liquid जितना भी होता है वो available होता है. Different kind of Coke, soft drinks, juices, green teas and those kind of stuff is available. So it is very handy in cases where you are traveling for the whole day. तो आप आराम से vending machine से ये सारी चीज़ें access कर सकते हो. Fact number 6. So most of the shops in Japan have self-checkout system where they have the machine where you can scan the products that you got. You can scan the bag if you need a bag and then pay and just leave. So I think Japan is a country where they have a lot of faith in you, where you won't cheat and all. So I think it is very good because if the country has faith in you, I think people show respect to that thing and people usually don't cheat. I have never seen people cheating and I think it's a very good thing to do. Fact number 7. So escalators in Japan, usually they have a very strict rule that if you just want to stand on the escalator and go from one floor to the other, stand towards your left and leave that way on the right so that if somebody just doesn't want to stand on the escalator but climb on it, so they have that space. So the first time when I went there and I saw people standing just to one side, I was like, what is it? But then I understood and I think it is a very good idea for people who are in hurry and it looks really nice. Fact number 8. So there are lots and lots of tax-free shops in Japan. So if you are an outsider, you are visiting Japan, so just carry your passport whenever you are going for shopping. And अगर आप 5,000 yen से ज़्यादा shopping करते हो, तो by showing your passport, you can get everything tax-free. Fact number 9. So if you are traveling to Japan just with a Forex card or a different kind of card and you are thinking you will swipe it everywhere, so I think it's better to get some cash and keep it with you because still there are lots and lots of shops in Japan who only deals in cash. So वहाँ पे जाके आप कार्ड स्वाइप नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, आपको कैश ही देना पड़ता है. Fact number 10 is about the Suica card that they have or the travel card that they have in Japan. So the travel card is actually called Suica and that card is basically for swiping in metros for your ticket. It can be swiped anywhere, at the shops, at the restaurants, mostly at all the places Suica cards work. So Suica card is like an ATM card for you, so you can swipe it everywhere and it is very easy going in Japan with your Suica card. So just carry your Suica card, you can get your Suica card at the airport itself. So these were some fun facts or some facts that I noted in Japan, so I wanted to share it with you. If you liked the video, then do click on the like button. If you are planning to go to Japan, oh my god, it's a beautiful country with beautiful people, so enjoy your stay and do watch our video. Thank you.